today I want to share our latest machine that we put together here. It's an automated bracket welder. We've been working on this about 26 weeks, from the initial purchase order to where we see it today. So we go through about a 6 to 8 week design phase, and then purchasing, waiting for all the parts to arrive in our machine shop to do the machining, and then it goes into assembly. And we discuss what their needs are in the equipment, get all the drawings for the part they need to assemble, figure out the cycle time so we can evaluate how fast the machine needs to run to make the production they need to see. First time that we built this process, our customer told us exactly what they wanted. They said, build us one of these. So we took notes, and when they came back to buy another version, we said, hey, I've got this list of things that you guys all said you'd like to make a little bit better. Let us show you what we can do. So this machine has, let's say 20 different areas in the machine that we tried to improve. We had the customers on site last week seeing the latest version of this machine, and they're very pleased with the upgrades.
In the automotive industry, the pressure is high. You need to meet the customer expectations always, all the time. You cannot fail, no chance for that. We are happy with the machines they build for us. We are very happy with them.
We've built somewhere around 100 machines for this customer. A lot of different areas in their plant, a lot of different processes. So we've got a lot of experience. We know what they like to see, how they like to see it. A lot of our machines that come here are machines that nobody else has ever made before. And that's really neat for us. We have a really good mix from small customers where an automation might only put a single hole in a part, to very complex systems where we take the process from raw material to a multi-million-dollar machine that has 100 processes in it. I think you want a small team if it's a really intricate new process. A big company, honestly, they'll probably no-quote that job because it's going to be hard to make money on.
Working with the same people is very important because that creates trust and create a pattern or a way to follow. And in a successive projects, it's much easier to make the things happen, so the people understand the needs from both sides, and it's much easier when you work with the same people.
The most feedback I get is how easy it is we are to interact with. I know some of our competitors have hundreds of employees, and sometimes you feel like you get lost in the mix, where here it's more of a family type environment. You're dealing with a dozen people, and you get to know them on a first name basis, and it's the same guys every time. I know in the past when I've worked with larger companies, you don't feel quite as valued or almost like that family environment that you're looking for. That's what we have here that I like. Cardinal machine, that's exactly what we do.